Hi guys, it's Ollie again. And before we start, I would like to thank our members, our supporters on Patreon. So if you're not yet a member, you might want to become a member on Patreon. That's patreon.com/Learn Tagalog Filipino. Or you could go to our website to get all our lessons, all our practice lessons. Listen, speak, and practice lessons. So you could practice your Tagalog. Let's start. We'll practice Tagalog small talk. Now, small talk is important. As you know, in any language, it's important. Filipinos like friendly conversations. Short chats help build connection. Don't worry about saying long sentences. Simple words are enough. Let's begin. Let's start with how are you? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Try it. Kumusta ka? One more. Kumusta ka? One last. Kumusta ka? All right. How are you today? Kumusta ka ngayong araw? Or kumusta ka ngayon? Or again, simply, kumusta? Try it. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka ngayon? Kumusta ka ngayong araw? One more. Kumusta ka ngayon? I'm okay. Ayos lang ako. Ayos lang ako. Ayos lang ako. Try it. Ayos lang ako. Ayos lang ako. One more. Ayos ako. Or ayos lang ako. Or you could say, I'm good. Mabuti naman. Mabuti naman. Try it. Try saying it. Mabuti naman. Mabuti naman. One more. Mabuti naman. I'm tired. Pagod ako. Pagod ako. Try it. Pagod ako. Pagod ako. One more. Pagod ako. I'm happy. Masaya ako. Masaya ako. Masaya ako. Try it. Masaya ako. One more. Masaya ako. Nice. Okay. Let's talk about your day. How was your day? Pag-usapan natin ang araw mo. Kumusta ang araw mo? Kumusta ang araw mo? Try it. Kumusta ang araw mo? Kumusta ang araw mo? One more. Kumusta ang araw mo? It was good. Ayos naman. Ayos naman. Try it. Ayos naman. Say it. Ayos naman. One more. Ayos naman. Or you could say, I was busy. Marami akong ginawa. Marami akong ginawa. Marami akong ginawa. Try it. Say it. Marami akong ginawa. One more. Marami akong ginawa. Nice. Let's talk about the weather. It's hot. Mainit. Mainit. Try saying it. Mainit. Mainit. One more. Mainit. It's raining. Umuulan. Umuulan. Try saying it. Umuulan. Umuulan. One more. Umuulan. It's cold. Malamig. Malamig. Try saying it. Malamig. Malamig. One more. Malamig. Nice. The weather is nice. Maganda ang panahon. Maganda ang panahon. Try saying it. Maganda ang panahon. Maganda ang panahon. One more. Maganda ang panahon. Good job. Let's go to likes and dislikes. I like blank. Gusto ko ng whatever it is. I like ice cream. Gusto ko ng ice cream. So you could replace ice cream with anything. Gusto ko ng okay. Gusto ko ng replace it with anything. Again, gusto ko ng one more. Gusto ko ng okay. Gusto ko ng kape. I like coffee. Gusto ko ng kape. Gusto ko ng gatas. Gusto ko ng tinapay. I like bread. Gusto ko ng tinapay. I like Filipino food. Gusto ko ng pagkaing Filipino. Gusto ko ng pagkaing Filipino. Try saying it. Gusto ko ng pagkaing Filipino. Again, you could use gusto ko ng. I like. Gusto ko ng. Let's go to I don't like. Ayaw ko ng. Ayaw ko ng. Put anything after ng. Ayaw ko ng. Try it. Gusto ko or ayaw ko ng. Ayaw ko ng maanghang. I don't like spicy food. Ayaw ko ng maanghang. Try it. Try saying it. Ayaw ko ng maanghang. Nice. There you go. Now let's talk about the common words that you can use that you probably heard before in recordings, in podcasts, in movies. Kasi is because. Kasi is because. Kasi. Just or only. Lang. Lang. And then we have really. Talaga. 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 Okay, let's practice again. Let's go back to kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? And then try to say, ayos lang ako. Ikaw, try to say that. Ayos lang ako. Ikaw, mabuti naman. Kumusta ang araw mo? Try to say that. Mabuti naman. Kumusta ang araw mo? Mabuti naman. Kumusta ang araw mo? Maraming ginagawa, pero okay lang. Maraming ginagawa, pero okay lang. Try saying that. Maraming ginagawa, pero okay lang. Mainit ngayon, no? Mainit ngayon, no? Try saying it. Mainit ngayon, no? Again, mainit ngayon, no? Oo, sobra. Oo, sobra. Try saying it. Oo, sobra. Oo, sobra. Nice. Okay, again, practice out loud. Kumusta ka ngayon? Kumusta ka ngayon? Try it. Try saying it. Kumusta ka ngayon? Kumusta ang araw mo? Kumusta ang araw mo? Try saying it. Practice. Kumusta ang araw mo? One more. Kumusta ang araw mo? By the way, this is what do you want? Ano ang gusto mo? Ano ang gusto mo? Try saying it. Ano ang gusto mo? Ano ang gusto mo? Nice. One more. Ano ang gusto mo? Hot or cold? Mainit ba or malamig? Mainit ba o malamig? Try saying it. Mainit ba o malamig? Try saying it. Mainit ba o malamig? Mainit ba o malamig? Nice. Okay, again, let's practice this. Kumusta ka ngayon? Kumusta ka ngayon? Okay? Kumusta ang araw mo? Kumusta ang araw mo? Mabuti naman. Mabuti naman. Ayos lang ako. Ayos lang ako. If you want to practice, you could go back to the beginning of the chapter and repeat the exercises. If you like these kinds of lessons, we have more of this at learntagalogfilipino.com. I would be glad to have you as a supporter on Patreon so I could continue what I'm doing, teaching Tagalog to non speakers or to people who would like to learn the Filipino language. So, again, that is learntagalogfilipino.com.